Are you losing marks on exams without even realizing it? Let's fix that. Here are 5 common mistakes that could be holding you back and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Not reading the question carefully. Many students lose marks simply because they misread the question. Rushing through can lead to silly mistakes or answering something completely different. Take an extra few seconds to understand exactly what's being asked before you start writing. Mistake number 2. Poor time management. Spending too much time on one question, that's a big problem. If you get stuck, move on and come back later. A good strategy is to quickly answer easy questions first, then use the remaining time for tougher ones. Mistake number 3. Ignoring easy marks. Students often focus too much on complex problems and forget the simple ones. Don't leave easy questions blank or rush through them carelessly. Every mark counts. Mistake number 4. Not reviewing your answers. Once you finish, don't just sit there. Use any extra time to check your work. Small mistakes in spelling, calculations, or wording can cost you easy points. Mistake number 5. Skipping past papers and practice tests. Many students only study theory, but that's not enough. Practicing past exam papers helps you get familiar with the format, time constraints, and the types of questions you'll face. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and you'll see a big improvement in your exam scores. Share this with a friend who needs this advice, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest exam challenge?